Umidigi has added a new device to the Power series. It is called the Power 7 Max. Its design is very similar to that of the Umidigi A13 Pro and the newly announced Umidigi F3. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. We are almost at 8,000 subscribers, so the best way to support the channel is to subscribe, and it's absolutely free. So without further ado, let's find out more about the Umidigi Power 7 Max. As mentioned earlier, the Power 7 Max's design is similar to that of the A13 Pro and the Umidigi F3. I'll be talking about the F3 in a separate video, so remember to subscribe. The body material is polycarbonate and the frame also is made of plastic. At the rear, the phone has a square cool camera module. The words "Beyond Dreams" is also branded at the rear. On the right side, just like many other smartphones, there's a power button and volume keys. On the left side, the phone has a customizable key. The Power 7 Max has a 6.7-inch HD Plus IPS water drop notch display. The bezels of the display are not very thick, which is good, but there are many mid-range devices that have thinner bezels. As mentioned earlier, the phone has a triple camera setup. The main camera is a 48 MP camera. There's also an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel macro lens. The rear camera could shoot up to 1080p videos. The phone also have a 16 megapixel front camera. One of the amazing features of the Power 7 Max is its battery. It has an immense 10,000 mAh battery. So a smartphone has a 10,000 mAh battery, right? And the charger that is expected to ship with the smartphone is just 18 watts. Tell me guys, how long do you think a device with a 10,000 mAh battery that ships with an 18 watts charger would charge from about 0% to 100%? What I'm trying to say is that Umidigi should have opted for a much more faster charger. So the battery of the Umidigi Power 7 Max is a double-edged sword. The phone is powered by the Unisoc T610 processor, paired with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Of course, the storage could be expanded. It also ships with Android 11 right out of the box. The sensors of the device includes gyroscope, proximity, accelerometer, and ambient light sensor. It also has e-compass. The Power 7 Max is definitely a very nice device. The battery is the main selling point of this device. But the battery of the Power 7 Max is a double-edged sword, guys. It's going to last many days on a single charge, but at the same time, it's going to take a very long time for an 18 watts charger that is expected to ship in the device's package to charge the battery completely. But what are your thoughts about the Power 7 Max? Make sure to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.